how to use this smartphone as an external monitor for my camera right here using these components. Well, what do I have here? I have a smartphone, I have a phone holder, I have a video capture card, I have a USB-C cable and an HDMI cable right here. So I'm going to put all these together, and it's mostly plug and play actually. As I mentioned, I have a phone holder. I have bought this from Small Rig, and it's solid and it's tiltable in many ways. It has a cold shoe mount which I can put on the hot shoe on my camera right there, so I'm just putting it on and it's solid and it's stable and it's very good. So yeah, I'm putting my phone obviously right there, and what I'm going to do next is to put some cables into this, and that's the kind of a downside about this solution. It is a lot of cables and it's kind of easy to put together. So you need this video capture card, as I mentioned, and it has a USB-A port, so you need to put that to connect your phone, put it the right way. And you have the HDMI, the ordinary HDMI, on the other side of the video capture card. On the camera, on the side of the camera here, you have an HDMI micro port, and you obviously need HDMI micro male to put in here as well. So then you just do that. As you can see, you have kind of a cable management situation here, but I don't see that as a big problem. You probably can get a wire or a cable that is a little shorter than this one. But okay, everything is connected, and all you need to do now is to turn things on. I have already put my app into my phone. I already downloaded it from Google Play, and I will automatically, when everything is cabled up, I will have the automatic appearance of the software itself here. So it asks me whether I want to connect the app to, or the phone to, my camera, and I will press OK, and I will get this screen right here. So the next step is, of course, to put the camera on, and you will have this screen right here coming up. You have some menus here on the side. You got IP camera server, live push, record, snapshot, and all those things. It's a lot of things you can do inside of the app, but I'm not going into the details in this video, maybe later. You got an extension menu on the side here, which has a lot of features, like you can change rotation, and you can flip the video, you can background stuff. You can also upgrade to Pro, because I'm using the free version of this app. I'm going to show you it. We'll get out of this one and I will go back a little. This app is right here. It's called USB Camera, and it comes in two versions. It comes in a free version, and you also get the Pro version. So here I have the screen, and when I focus, you see it works just like the flip screen on your camera. It's not many different things. You can just think of it as a part of the camera actually. So it's not very complicated. As you can see, it was mostly plug and play, and yeah, well, it's probably more information. I'm thinking about a lot of things, but I think this was the most important thing to show, just to make things work. So if you want me to make a little more advanced video like this, but just more information, just say so in the comment section, and maybe I will do that in the future.